Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are taking off at the Laguna College of Arts Center. There are some good hiking trails at the Laguna Coast Wilderness Park. Today we are taking a beautiful coastal ride. From the rustic beauty of Laguna Canyon Road, all the way to the Crescent Bay along North Coastal Highway. Then go south along Coastal Highway to Main Beach, Mountain Beach, Aliso Beach, and finishing with a fantastic drone view through the Laguna Niguel. Oh no, drone is not allowed here. What a waste. Parking here is street only. The sounds of the waves grow stronger as we are heading to the edge of the cliff. Wow, the view is really nice. The sky is so blue. Crescent Bay is one of the favorite beaches for locals and tourists. Terry was a renowned sculptor based in Laguna Beach. Beautiful golden sandstone cliff. From this cliff, you can see the sea line stretch endlessly. Deep blues melt into sky. We can hear sound of the ocean echoing off the cliffs. The white lace of waves crashing below. Feel so relaxed by just looking at the sea line. Crescent Bay Point Park is a natural balcony suspended over the Pacific. Cybertruck can be spotted quite frequently at the Laguna. Here's the main beach. The lifeguard tower built in the 1920s. Probably the most recognizable symbol of the main beach. Today is so sunny compared to a few days ago when we were here. That day was so cloudy and a little bit cold. Main Beach is Laguna's most iconic and most photographed shoreline. Beach volleyball. Even on a cloudy day, the main beach still feels very much alive. Just no sunbathers on cloudy day. Standing here, you can't miss this lone, twisted tree, shaped by years of steady coastal winds. Looks like Trump's hairstyles. Poo bag available for pets. Great for people watching, strolling, walking on the boardwalk, relaxing with a view of the ocean. One water dispenser to serve 3 ways of drinking needs. Pretty good idea. Direction to the high ground if tsunami hit. Main Beach is more than just sand and surf. It's the heart of Laguna Beach. The Greeters Corner offer the famous Laguna Burger, nestled on the historic white stucco-ish building. This is a French restaurant and bakery. On one side, you can catch a glimpse of the Pacific. On the other, charming boutiques, colorful art galleries, and cozy cafes line the street, each inviting you to step in and linger. This stretch of highway is more than just a road. It's the vibrant lifeline of Laguna. Street parking is mostly metered, except credit card, mobile apps, or quarter coins. Rates about $3 per hour. We are now heading to Mountain Road Beach. Oh, not again. Unlike the busier main beach, this spot is known for its quiet charm. This tranquil memorial garden honors those lost to AIDS. This is a great place for swimming, bodyboarding, snorkelers. This is a peaceful escape with its secluded sandy cove and dramatic coastal boulevards. Casa Bistro, offering some small bites and entrees. Average spending per person could be around $30 for light meal and drink. There's a Jack in the Box here for cheaper food. Free parking for customers too. Newspapers dispenser. Tea and Turmeric, known for its wide variety of organic teas, is a boutique wellness shop. Turmeric herbal tea, oolong tea, green tea, white tea. Sleep and relaxation, beauty and weight. The atmosphere is calm with the aromas wafting through the air as you browse. Rustle up the leaves and shadow with the wind interwoven like a symphony of nature. This cozy shop blends ancient healing with California cool. another pizza place.
Listen the sound of the babbling stream in the ear.
The old pottery place is a charming, historic shopping and dining hub. It was rebuilt in 2006. Eat, sleep, beach, and read. Laguna Beach Books is the last remaining bookstore in Laguna Beach. Some home deco stuff here. Walking along South Coast Highway is like taking a slow stroll through a vibrant coastal village where art, surf, culture, and laid-back California vibes blend seamlessly together. We continue south to Aliso Beach. No stopping or parking at all in red curb zone. White curb seems okay, but not long-term parking. There is a public parking here. Take a small bites here. Welcome to Aliso Beach Park. Needless to say, no drone zone again. Aliso Beach offers a wide, sandy shoreline perfect for sunbathing. Seagull. Nice landing. Beautiful sea line. The beach itself is wide and open. Flanked by majestic cliffs. Families building sandcastles, strolling along the shoreline. The waves roll in with steady pulse, larger and more energetic than many other beaches in Laguna. Chasing the waves. A brilliant gradient of turquoise to deep blue. Sparkling under the South California sun. Helicopter can always spot it here. Bonding time. Need to find a spot for drone. Here we go. Tucked away in the hills of Laguna Niguel. This is a beautiful luxury residential area of Vizcaya. What a panoramic views of the Pacific Ocean, Catalina Island, and the coastal hills of South Orange County. Beautiful manicured landscaping. Stunning hilltop scenery. Peaceful, upscale atmosphere. Up the hill from Vizcaya is one of Laguna Niguel's hidden gems, Badlands Park. Very elegant hillside roads surround such a Mediterranean-inspired neighborhood. From the beaches of Laguna to the bluffs of Laguna Niguel. This corner of California is filled with breathtaking beauty, peaceful escapes. Thanks for joining me on this incredible journey. There is no subscription fees. Don't forget to subscribe.